Hey guys, today we're checking out one of the newest mid-range smartphones that's been getting a lot of attention lately, the Vivo V70. Now, this phone looks premium, packs some serious camera tech, and comes with a massive battery. But the real question is this actually worth your money in 2026? Let's find out. Alright, starting with the design, and honestly, this is one of the strongest points of the Vivo V70. This phone comes with a sleek glass back and aerospace-grade aluminum frame, which gives it a really premium feel in the hand. It's also relatively slim at around 7.5mm thickness and weighs about 204 grams, so it's comfortable to hold even for long periods. What's impressive is the durability. You get IP68 and IP69 water and dust resistance, plus strong drop protection. So yeah, this is not just stylish, it's actually tough. Moving on to the display, and this is where things get really interesting. You're getting a 6.59-inch 1.5K AMOLED display with 120 Hz refresh rate. Colors look vibrant, blacks are deep, and overall, it's just a great panel for watching videos or scrolling social media. Brightness is also insane. It can go up to 5,000 nits peak brightness, which means outdoor visibility is excellent. And yes, it supports HDR10+, so Netflix and YouTube content look fantastic. Now let's talk about performance. The Vivo V70 is powered by the Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 processor, built on a 4nm architecture. In daily use, this phone feels super smooth. Apps open quickly, multitasking is effortless, and even gaming is quite stable. You also get up to 12 GB LPDDR5X RAM, up to 512 GB UFS 4.1 storage. So yeah, speed is definitely not an issue here. This is not a hardcore gaming phone, but for casual users, it's more than enough. Alright, now the main highlight, the camera. This phone features a triple camera setup with ZEISS optics, and honestly, this is where Vivo is going all in. Here's what you get. 50-megapixel main camera, Sony sensor with OIS, 50-megapixel telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom, and 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera. The telephoto lens is the star here. You can zoom up to 10x and still get sharp images. Portrait shots look amazing thanks to ZEISS tuning, especially with those cinematic bokeh effects. For video, you get 4K recording at 60 FPS, which is great for content creators. And for selfies, there's a 50-megapixel front camera, which is honestly overkill in a good way. Now, let's talk about the AI features, because this phone is packed with them. Some standout features include AI Stage Mode, which is great for concerts or events, AI Audio Noise Eraser, AI Magic Weather, and AI image editing tools. These features actually make a difference, especially for casual users who just want good results instantly. Battery life? This thing is a beast. You get 6,500 mAh battery, which easily lasts a full day, even heavy usage. And charging is fast too, 90-watt fast charging, so you can go from low to full pretty quickly. The Vivo V70 runs on Origin OS 6 based on Android 16. The UI feels smooth, modern, and packed with useful features. Plus, Vivo promises 4 years of Android updates, 6 years of security updates. That's actually really solid for a phone in this category. So, should you buy the Vivo V70? If you're looking for great camera performance, premium design, long battery life, and smooth daily performance, then yes, this is definitely a strong option in 2026. It's not the most powerful gaming phone, but for everyday users, this is a very well-balanced device. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech content. See you in the next video.